Hi there. For this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to work on the users who can use and access your site. So if you look on Dashboard, we're going to scroll down until we get to Users. Now we have three choices. We can see all of our users, we can add new users, or we can go in and fix our own profile. Right now, I'm the only user for this site, so it has my name as the administrator. You can also put your own name in here, and you do that by clicking Edit. It will give you your administration color theme. You can also disable the visual editor when you're writing. It allows you to enable keyboard shortcuts for comment moderation. You can get more information about that by clicking here. You can show your toolbar when viewing the site if you're logged in. It has your username, your first name, your last name, your nickname, what your display name will be publicly, your email, and any other information that you'd like to put in here. You can also change your password to the site by typing it in the first box and then the second box, and as usual it has a strength indicator. And then click Update Your Profile. So let's go back out to our list, and let's say that I want to add a new user. I can do that by clicking here or by clicking down here. So to add a new user, I could put in, let's say, Tom. And I'll also go ahead and enter his password for him. You can choose to send the password to the new user by email, which is always a good idea, so you can make sure you have it right, and then you can choose whether he's a subscriber, someone who can just read the site, an administrator, someone who can read and make changes to the site, an editor, an author, or a contributor. Let's say that he is going to be an editor, and I'm going to click Add New User. So now you can see we've got me as the administrator and Tom, the guy I just made up. Now you can also go in and do bulk actions. So I could say click on Tom, I could delete or do the bulk action that's here in my drop down. And I could change the role to administrator, editor, etc. So you can do a whole group of people at once instead of having to go in and do them one at a time. So that can save you some time. So now you know how to get in and set up users. You can also filter this list down to just administrators, just editors, just subscribers, and whatever other classifications you have. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how we can figure out who is allowed to do what with the site. I'm going to go into Settings. And under General Settings, I'm going to scroll down. This will allow me to choose if somebody is going to be, this is going to allow me to click if anyone can register for the site and the new user and their role that they'll play. That could be as author, contributor, editor, administrator, etc. So when the new person joins your site or registers for your site, they will automatically come in as one of these. Unless it's somebody that you know, you may just want to have them come in as a subscriber, because that means they'll be able to read your site, they'll be able to comment on your site if you allow comments, but they're not going to be able to go in and actually change your site for you. So that's how we go about going in and setting people up as users of our site. And this is a really easy way to decide who can make changes and who can just contribute but can't really make changes to your content. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you at the next tutorial.